The University of Alberta respectfully acknowledges that we are located on Treaty 6 territory, a traditional gathering place for diverse Indigenous peoples including the Cree, Blackfoot, Métis, Nakota Sioux, Iroquois, Dene, Ojibwe, Saulteaux, Anishinaabe, Inuit, and many others whose histories, languages, and cultures continue to influence our vibrant community.
Friday, September 30th is the National Day for Truth and Reconciliation in Canada. This is a national holiday, so the University of Alberta will be closed and there will be no classes. On this day, I'll be thinking about Indigenous peoples and the history in Canada. Previously, September 30th was known as Orange Shirt Day. So this is the shirt that I have worn on September 30th in the past, and I'll wear on this September 30th. And wearing an orange shirt just means that I am aware of Indigenous issues, and I'm aware of the history, and I'm working to understand it better.
There are a few events happening on campus in the days leading up to September 30th. The library is hosting Create an Orange Heart Pin September 26th to 29th. You can also take a guided walk on National Day for Truth and Reconciliation. These events are happening on September 30th. For this event, you need to register. This week's theme is University Expectations. We'll be talking about how to manage your course load, studying independently, and living in Canada.
The Green and Gold Day was awesome! I am so happy to see all of you. We're having a good time.
We are